Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by opening all settings and going straight to picture because the base mode drives everything else. Select a neutral picture mode like Cinema or ISF Bright. Those keep color and gamma stable. Once done, disable energy saving and ambient light detection so brightness won't change automatically. Then switch OLED light from auto to manual. This controls global luminance. You're preparing the TV so adjustments later affect what you see consistently, not a shifting automatic system. Now adjust OLED light in 5 10-point steps until highlights look right without clipping. That controls peak output. Make small brightness and contrast tweaks. Brightness sets black level, so lower it until shadow detail is just visible. Contrast controls whites. Next, set gamma to 2, 2 or 2, 4 depending on room darkness, and check black level to prevent crushed blacks. If your model has local dimming or pixel dimming, test with dark scenes to balance detail and bloom. Finish by playing several test scenes, bright daylight, deep shadows, and mixed content to confirm balance across content types. Then, if you need color accuracy, use expert controls like color temperature and white balance to tweak tint or gain. That stabilizes perceived brightness versus color. If the image still looks wrong, reset the picture mode to defaults and retry. As a troubleshooting tip, run the OLED pixel refresher and check energy saving again. That often clears odd uniformity or automatic dimming problems.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.